How to find a restaurant with top eats badge on Uber Eats. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Uber Eats in your mobile device and just like that, log into your account. Once logged in the home screen, tap on the search bar and then search for a restaurant in your area or specific type of cuisines. Scroll to the results and look for the top eats badge displayed next to a certain restaurant name. This badge highlights restaurants that are highly rated and consistently provide a great customer experience. If you don't find it, you can simply tap on this drop down of short and then you can simply choose rating or best overalls to help surface rated customer more easily. But keep in mind that not every restaurant will have a top 8 badge, and the availability of badge and filters may vary depending on your location and app version. When you find a restaurant with Top Eats badge, you can tap onto it to view its menu and ratings and even customer reviews. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.